Hello, good morning. Welcome to the It's Raining Crafts podcast. Today is Monday, March 8th, 2021. My name is Raina. You can find me on Instagram and Ravelry under SF Chick. And I hope that you're all doing well. The weekend is over. Spring is on its way. It's going to be in the 60s this week, Fahrenheit. So it should be nice to wear short sleeves and my skirts and stuff. So I'm excited about that. So why don't I get to my knitting? Oh, my Disney mug. Because I'm a lady, that's why. From the Aristocats. One of the kittens, her name is Marie. Ellie is laying in the sun. So why don't we get into the projects? So before I started recording, I was working on my sip hat by Telly Bean Knits. Here it is, out of crabapple. Keen is the orange, and the Arlington colorway, and the purple is Rosling's color. Is the Rosling's base in the, I think it's wine colorway. It's just a lot of solid knitting right now. It keeps me. I picked this up yesterday and I realized that it's almost done. So maybe it'll be done by next week. I'm hoping. So that, and then hopefully I'll get to my decreases by the time I get to my knit group tonight, so I can start that. And the other project that I have is behind me. I'm so proud of myself because I did not twist my stitches this time, or when I did, I twisted them back to the original position. This is a new bag by Tanny Casey. It has peaches on it, but it reminds me of flowers. It reminds me of Mario mushrooms. So this is going to be the layout top by Isabel Kramer. It just came out last week. So I did the ribbing and the short rows and the increases, and now I'm just on that stockinette row before I go to the chart. But the other colors that are going out of this is Grape by Bamboo Pop. This is the needle stuck in my skein. Super Pink by Bamboo Pop. And then the other color is Ocean by Bamboo Pop. So these are the three colors it's going to be. But I'm thinking more the pink and the blue towards the bottom. So maybe I'll see how far the purple skein gets me. And then I'll decide to stay purple or to add the two. It's a pretty lacy top down pattern. It just came out last week. First time I got past my short rows, I realized that I twisted my stitches. But last week was a very busy week. I had my second Pfizer shot, and then I had a delayed reaction, and I wasn't even realizing that I had a delayed reaction to it. Just felt very lethargic, lightheaded, and dizzy. So most of Wednesday I had an appointment. I had another appointment I had to go to, and then they ordered a test for me, so I went to go have that done in the same day because I was able to get that done. And then Thursday I went to the yarn shop and was working on this, and I really wasn't feeling it, because I'm like, oh, there's something wrong with this. I can't tell what's wrong with it until I came home till like Friday. Was it Thursday night? No, it was Friday. I realized I twisted the stitches. It's Friday I finally felt human after my shot. So I just felt really lightheaded and dizzy for my vaccine, and I hydrated a whole lot. I felt like I was dehydrated and I needed to drink more water. Not that if I have a plain water or if I have bubbly water, I choose the bubbly water because of the fizz. So, anyway, and what else is going on this week? The cleaning lady's coming tomorrow. She's very exciting. I got a new closet system put in upstairs in my closet. Now I can see everything and hang everything in different places and realize what I have in my closet. And then, what else? I'm just taking a chance now to go through and purge what I don't use in my closet. I mean, what I don't wear goes in a pile. And the next thing is my drawers. I got to go through my drawers and do that. But maybe that'll be done today, because the cleaning lady's coming tomorrow, and I don't want stuff on my floors. Anyway, I hope that you're having a good start to your week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.